right, special thanks to this company for sending me their Smart Pet Odor Deodorizer. This is model number OP02, and this is essentially for like a litter box to where it has a sensor. You know, it senses something went into the litter box, it puts out some nice fresh scents and deodorizes the litter box. Just open here on the bottom side, long endurance, no consumables, deodorizing, induction, timing, easy to install. Nothing there, nothing there. And the back just has the product name, model number, etc. It does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, so that's pretty good. Let's open it here and take a look at it. So right on top is our little instruction guide here. So blue light flashing indicates it's charging, and blue light solid indicates it's complete. And when you power it on, it'll flash twice and basically just be waiting. Very interesting product. I've never seen something like this before. Looks like you're able to mount this to the wall with, like, I guess sticky tape or screws. Here's your USB-C port to charge this item, and that's your little power switch. So there's nothing on this I need to replace. As you can see, it's all one thing. So you literally just, you know, set it there and let this little motion light catch your little critter going in and out of the litter box. And you should have, you know, deodorized smell. Down in here, we've got a couple of sticky pads. They give you 2. That's helpful. Oh, there's our USB cable. It even says built-in, don't know why there's an H, but built-in USB cable. So that's the little USB cable that comes with it. I really think that'll do it for this DownyPaws Smart Pet Odor Purifier unboxing. Like I said, you literally are able to set this up, have it charged, and just take it down every few months to charge it. You ain't never got to replace a filter. There's nothing else to do. Just set it, charge it every few months, and it should deodorize your cat's litter box. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.